be a little bit different video today. We took in this marine carburetor to build, and it had sat for a very long time. I've honestly never took a carburetor apart that looked as bad as this one inside. That being said, I've took methanol carburetors parts, had methanol left in them, where the bowls have started erupting. Pretty much the same thing started happening in this. The bowls are severely pitted. It's had to end up glass beading this stuff. Never ideal to remove the coating from a Holley carburetor. But I got all the passages cleaned out, and I got all the bad eruption corrosion off. As long as this guy don't let this carburetor sit, it'll be just fine. Very, very, very bad case scenario. Basically, this is a 4160 Holley. Because it's a marine carburetor, it's like super expensive. There's really not a whole lot of differences in them, except they don't have adjustable needle seats, and they don't have a way to check the bowl height externally. And of course, you get these goofy vent tubes that dump back over inside the carburetor. Just one had to be moved just to get the choke flap out. So what I'm doing, I'm working on today. I'm cleaning this stuff up. I've got the other stuff over cooking in some acid. You know, sometimes stuff don't go quite as planned. But basically, I don't know if you can see down in there in this, but this carburetor was full up to the floats in trash and corrosion, just like this right here in the bottom of this little paint cap. It was literally standing in here up to about your lip right here. Same way in the metering block. I don't know if you can really see, but you can see how badly this is pitted. Like I said, you never really want to blast this stuff. It takes this coating off. This coating is what protects the zinc. Bad stuff. So I still got to take the main body the rest of the way apart and clean it, and like I said, I got the small stuff over cooking and some acid. So let's get back busy. All right, it's several hours later, and as you can see, not much left of the bowl screws either. Everything else cleaned up pretty decent. The main body cleaned up pretty decent, so did the base plate. Just some delamination of the coating. It won't hurt anything. Other than that, we're all clean. So I'm going to put y'all on a fast forward video from this point, and let's see if we can throw this thing together. I've took the air blower and blew through everything and blew everything off, and as clean as it's going to get. Hopefully this guy listens and cleans his gas tank out and puts an inline fuel filter on this, because he's going to have some bad problems. So let's continue. and get all the base adjustments made. So we pick up.